Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make diabetic friendly and antioxidants loaded fenugreek and corn cutlet kebab or tikki. Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Nama. May He bless us all with knowledge and wisdom. Now into my kitchen gardens for garden fresh fenugreek leaves, parsley and cilantro leaves and green chilies of course. Now back to the kitchens and our green chilies that we picked up, into the blender they go. Ginger 1-inch stick or as per as your taste, into the blender. Garlic 3 pods or again as per as your taste. Cumin whole and coriander seeds whole. Raw unroasted peanut and boiled preferably sweet or American corns also you can take, and into the blender. Now blend into a coarsely finished paste. There, beautiful, isn't it? This is what it should look like. Now set it aside till we require it. Now gram or chickpea flour, semolina, fenugreek leaves ripped and torn by hand, the paste that we had made earlier, cilantro and parsley leaves ripped and torn by hand, red chili powder, sea or any natural salt, turmeric powder. Now these are the samples of garam masala that I made for a client, but you can use any garam masala powder. Now samples of Mughlai kebab masala which I made for a client, but you can use any kebab masala, and chaat masala which I don't like to use, but these are the samples for a client again. I will use mango powder instead of chaat masala. Coriander powder. Mix well and knead into a dough. There, but now let's taste. To add corrections if any required, none. Knead into a tight dough now and set aside. Aag jalao and set up a hot plate, tawa, fry pan or a griddle. Drizzle and smear with peanut oil. Divide and shape the dough into 4 equal sized cutlet, kebab or tikki, and this is the balanced dough and 3 more can be made out of this. Carefully place the raw cutlet, kebab or tikki to cook. Be careful not to burn your fingertips. Drizzle oil on and around the cutlet, kebab or tikki and allow them to cook till they firm up a shade. When firm, carefully flip the side. And be careful because they are really soft at present and you can spoil the shape. Yes, that is what is required. Now allow the side to cook till it becomes firm. Flip when the fragrance begins to fill the air and color changes. Again, be careful, they are still a little soft. There. Now allow them to cook. Flip the sides to ensure that they are evenly and well cooked by now. There, looking beautiful, isn't it? When done, switch off the heat or the flames and remove and plate the cutlet, kebab or tikki one by one. Look, beautiful, isn't it? Ravishing. And what a fragrance. When done, Serve with any chutney, dip, or sauce and enjoy with all your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.